Students, good morning. Today I am going to provide a brief information on Kelvin Planck statement. Kelvin Planck statement. Before entering into this discussion, what I am in need of? I am in need of an engine. What kind of engine? What is the performance of engine? My engine should receive certain amount of heat from a single thermal reservoir. Whose temperature is uniform. That means you can get any amount of heat, even abundant amount of heat from the reservoir. Its temperature will never be changed. Uniform temperature is constant. The received heat from a single thermal reservoir should completely convert into work. That means amount of heat received is equal to work generated. I am in need of such kind of engine. What I am trying to say is I am in need of an engine. The performance of engine should be like this. It should receive certain amount of energy from a single thermal reservoir whose temperature is uniform at any cost. The received heat content should be completely converted into work. This is my ambition. I am supposed to construct this kind of engine. The Kelvin Planck statement says that this is a perpetual motion machine. Construction is not possible. The Kelvin Planck statement says that construction of this kind of engine is not possible. The statement is, it is impossible to construct. It is impossible to construct an engine operating continuously in a cycle, produce no effect other than transfer of heat from a single thermal reservoir at an uniform temperature and the performance of an equal amount of work. What is the meaning of this statement? Kelvin Planck statement is, it is impossible to construct an engine operating continuously in a cycle, produce no effect other than transfer of heat from a single thermal reservoir at a uniform temperature and the performance of an equal amount of work. First point, to run an engine, a minimum of 2 reservoirs is required. This is an engine. For working of this engine, it needs a minimum of 2 reservoirs. One is source hot thermal reservoir. Another one is sink, low temperature reservoir. The engine will work by means of receiving certain amount of heat from a high temperature reservoir to low temperature reservoir. During its heat flow, a part amount of heat can be converted into work. A part amount of heat is converted into work. That means this is the amount of heat received from the high temperature reservoir. This is the amount of heat transferred to the low temperature reservoir. So net work is equal to QH minus QW. First point, it is impossible to run an engine with a single thermal reservoir. It needs two reservoirs. One is source, another one is sink. The engine will receive heat from a high temperature reservoir. During its flow, it performs certain amount of work. The part balance amount should be transferred to the low temperature reservoir. Clear? First point, to operate an engine, we are in need of two reservoirs. Second point, heat cannot be completely converted to heat work. Heat cannot be completely converted into work. This is the main information. Heat cannot be completely converted into work. Work can be completely converted into heat. Heat cannot be completely converted into work. The meaning is the thermal efficiency of an engine. Never be 100%. Never be 100%. This is applicable for both actual and ideal heat engine. This is the information, brief information regarding the Kelvin Planck statement. Okay, thank you.